Hi guys, I'm Zach from NodeWorks Media, and in today's video I have something kind of exciting. So basically, in the last vlog anyway, you guys saw that I installed a new diff to my car, which should allow me to drift. I haven't really played around with my car since then. I've taken one or two corners a little bit quickly and I'm feeling it out, but I've never properly played with it except for one launch on some water and my car just went and then slightly sideways. So yeah. Anyway, we are here today with Tyron, as you can see in the mirror there, and one of his friends, Josh, with a Ford Focus ST, yes, and Tyron's girlfriend, but yeah. So the point of today is I should be filming 3 videos today. Basically experimenting and learn how to drift today, photo shoot vlog, and a cinematic. So yeah, let's see how things go. Basically this is going to be just a time-lapse kind of thing, or just camera put up so you guys can see me fail at learning how to drift. Hope you guys enjoy nonetheless though. Let's go. Okay guys, and as you saw there, my car's rear tires, it looks like, are a little bit too grippy. So unfortunately, regardless of how hard I send it, it just won't drift. There's not enough power to kick out the back. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to do some launches and test it around the corners, and we'll see from there. Yeah. So we decided that I have my old rims and tires, which are very ungrippy and not as thick. So I'm probably going to bring those, and we're probably going to try like wet the tar a little bit the next time, and we'll see if that helps. But yeah, there we go. Sorry about the wind. So Tyron just failed. What's next is we're going to do some launches. Catch you guys up then.
What are you doing in my swamp?
I can't get it to wheel spin now.
More gas. I don't know what RPM you're at.
I was at around 3.5.
Try 4.5. I know it's hard, but try it.
Okay guys, and that's actually that. So again, in the attempted drifting, it's still understeers. It's just got too much grip. I need to put on my slightly less grippy tires, less wide shit tires, and then I can try that, and that should be better for the drifting side. For launching and cornering, I mean, as you can see here, there's a fair bit of like rubber already on the road, so I feel like it's kind of grippy already. And I tried to launch and my car was not spinning. I think on that last launch I got a little bit of spin, but that was about it. But that was already a very, very hard launch, and I don't really want to put my car through that all the time. With that being said though, I have literally once this morning when my tires were cold and stuff, I just pulled away maybe at like 2000. I was a little bit in a rush, so I mean I pulled away a little bit vigorously and I got wheel spin then. So I'm not understanding why I'm not getting a wheel spin now, but anyway. And then around the bends and stuff here, it felt pretty much the same like my open diff did, although so my open diff could carry around 70 around this circle, which my now limited slip diff is also doing, but I feel when I put my foot down, it is, I want to say it's understeery, same like the open diff. However, it starts to become a little bit floaty, like I can feel the rear end wants to become loose and start sliding out. So yeah, but there we go. That was kind of just the point of today's video, to learn my car, learn how the new diff handles and everything. I don't think it was necessarily the most entertaining video for you guys, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Yeah, until next time guys, cheers.